Ever noticed your car feeling sluggish, or that you're filling up the tank more often? It's a common frustration for many car owners, impacting both performance and your wallet. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the main culprits behind these frustrating issues. First up, the humble air filter. It's your engine's lungs, ensuring clean air intake. But over time it gets clogged with dirt and debris, restricting vital airflow. This chokes the engine, reducing power and forcing your car to consume more fuel. Next, let's talk about spark plugs. Crucial for igniting the fuel air mixture. Worn out or damaged spark plugs lead to inefficient combustion and misfires. This results in poor acceleration and, you guessed it, wasted fuel. Fuel injectors precisely deliver fuel into the engine. They need to be clean, but carbon deposits can clog them, disrupting the ideal spray pattern. This leads to an improper fuel air mixture, causing hesitation and reduced engine efficiency. The oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor, monitors exhaust gases and sends crucial data to your ECU. A faulty O2 sensor sends incorrect signals, confusing the engine's fuel delivery. This can cause the engine to burn either too much or too little fuel, impacting performance. Your catalytic converter cleans exhaust gases, but it can become blocked or damaged. A failing converter creates back pressure, stifling engine power and increasing fuel usage. Don't overlook low tire pressure. It's a simple fix with big implications. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. This directly translates to higher fuel consumption and reduced efficiency. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF, measures air entering the engine. A dirty or failing MAF sensor provides inaccurate air data to the ECU. This leads to improper fuel delivery, affecting both power and economy. Finally, transmission problems can significantly impact your car's feel. A slipping or struggling transmission makes the car feel weak and less efficient. In summary, many factors can cause your car to feel weak and consume more fuel. Regular maintenance and professional inspections are key to preventing these issues. Maintain your vehicle for optimal performance, better fuel economy, and a smoother ride. Drive softly and keep your car running at its best.